You're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus 11 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 121. So what is the value of x? So let's provide a solution from here. So let's start with method 1. So in method 1, this is x plus 11 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 121. So the first step is to take 121 on the left hand side so that we have x plus 11 raised to the power of 2 minus 121. This is equal to 0. So x plus 11 to the power of 2. This is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which can be expressed as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, then plus 2 times a b. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have x to the power of 2 plus 11 squared, which is 121. Then we have plus 22x, then minus 121. This is equal to 0. So 121 subtract 121. This simplifies so that we have x squared plus 22x. This is equal to 0. Now we have that here. X is common here, so we can factor out x so that we have x plus 22. This is equal to 0. So we have that x1 is equal to 0, and we have x plus 22. This is equal to 0. So this means that x2, this is equal to minus 22. x2 is minus 22, is equal to minus 22. Now, let's solve this by applying method 2. Let's apply method 2 from here. So we have x plus 11 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 121. Now, let's apply a square root on both sides. So this is the square root of x plus 11 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of 121. So we have the square root of x plus 11 to the power of 2. We can eliminate the square root sign. So this is x plus 11. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of 121, and this is equal to 11. So this means that we have x plus 11. This is equal to 11, and we have x plus 11. This is equal to minus 11. So this means that x1 is equal to 11 minus 11. And this means that x1 is equal to 0. Now, we have x plus 11. This is equal to minus 11. So this means that x2 is equal to minus 11 minus 11. So we have x2 equal to minus 22. So both method 1 and method 2 gives us the same values of x1 and x2. Thank you for watching.